A few disclaimers before I start this video. So I'm back from college and I'm a flop and I forgot certain products for this video. So if you see me using some products that just you think don't really look good with this look, that is because everything else is in Florida. So like my eyebrows won't be done for this video. I only have a limited amount of brushes, and I'm still debating if I want to wear a foundation or not because I left my concealer in Florida. And I have another concealer, but I don't know if it's I don't remember if it's my shade. So like if you guys are like watching this and you're like, what is she doing? I'm trying to make it work. Okay? So anyways, the rest of this video is going to be a voiceover because I'm too lazy to talk. So let's just start. Okay, so before anything else, I'm putting on chapstick because my lips are ashy. So here I'm using the Better Skin Maybelline Concealer, and I don't know the color. I'll link everything in the description box below. But ideally when I use eyeshadows with color, I like to use a very pale concealer so the colors can pop out a little bit more. So the palettes that I'm going to be using today are the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics, the Zulus palette by Juvia's Palace, I think, and Jaclyn Hill. And then in that Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm using a cream-like shade to set my concealer. Honestly, I don't know. I don't think I would have set it anyways because the colors would have popped a little bit more. Okay, anyways, I'm using like this blue shade in the BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm packing it with the Morphe packer brush, and I'm doing this in like a winged out shape kind of. Then I'm going into the Zulus palette and using like a turquoise matte shade underneath that first shade, and I'm using the same packer brush because I don't have any more brushes. So yeah. Also, if this voiceover is like not in the right places, I am so sorry. For some reason my computer is lagging, okay? Like everything is just going wrong for me. Whatever. Ugh. Okay, going back to the BH Cosmetics palette, I'm using that deeper blue shade next to the purple, and I'm doing this kind of like a halo eye, which I don't know why because I end up cutting the crease anyways, but I'm just doing like outer V and inner V, deepening up my those areas, and yeah. Now going to the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm using a black. I mean, when I show it, it's not a black, and I end up using the wrong black. I use like, I don't know what that is. Like, I don't know what that color is, but like I go back and actually use the black, and you can't even see the black, but like in person I saw it, so that's all that matters, you know? LOL. Okay, now I'm using my, is this even re-recording? Like, hello? Okay, so it was re-recording, but anyways, I'm using my favorite cut crease brush from the Morphe whatever, and the same concealer that I used to prime my eyes to cut my crease. Yeah. Okay, so I'm using the ABH Aurora Glow Kit, and I'm using the blue shade. I don't know what that says. I think it's Eclipse, I don't know. But I end up using my finger to pack it on because the brush just wasn't cutting it. And then I end up going into the BH Cosmetics palette and using one of those like shiny shades at the bottom. Yeah, see? Great. Okay guys, so this eye is done, so I'm going to do the other eye on my Snapchat story and then get back to you guys after I'm done. So here comes the eyeliner part. I messed up on the other eye just to tell y'all, but like it's okay, like it all turns out to be okay-ish, I guess. So like I'm lining where I cut the crease and then winging it out and then doing an eyeliner wing at the bottom. Guys, I'm gonna be for real with you, like I messed up. As you can see, like I'm gonna keep the footage in so y'all can see that I messed up. Y'all saw how this look was going though. Y'all saw the potential. That's all that matters. Anyways, I'm just so underwhelmed by like the fail of this makeup tutorial, but I'm cleaning up the excess eyeshadow and the fallout and blah blah blah. Then I'm using the Burberry illuminating face primer thing, I think. And then for foundation, I'm going to be using a mixture of the L'Oreal Infallible and the L'Oreal True Match. And I will have my shades and everything down in the description box below. So if you're watching this and you're like, why is she being so stingy with the concealer? It's because this is the concealer I was talking about. I don't know if it's my shade and I'm not trying to look washed out on camera. Okay, I'm gonna be bullied as is, so might as well just lower the chances of me getting bullied by not using a lot of concealer, you know what I mean? So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm also putting a strip down my nose as a way of contouring. I guess it's called strobing, I don't know, because I can't contour my nose because it's big and ugly. So yeah. Honestly, I do like how the face makeup looked. No flashback. My other eye looks horrible though, but for here I am lazily doing my under eye, and then I'm using, I think, Luna, or it's definitely Luna. I'm using Luna from the Aurora Glow Kit and using Praline, I think, NYX lip gloss. Yeah, I think it's Praline. Also, don't mind my naps, okay? Don't mind them. But here I'm using Fox for Colourpop blush. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. This was a fail, but I'm still posting it because I need content. Okay.
Yo, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet.